Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to stabilize your shaky footage. So this works really good if you're getting shots from cars or if you're walking and you don't have like good stability on your camera. If you notice that my footage is extremely shaky right now, we can fix all of that and make it look really good very simply by typing stab right up in here, and then you're going to find something called warp stabilizer, okay? You're going to click and you're going to drag that in, and then you're going to come up into where it says smooth this up at the top corner. And we're going to bring this down to say about 5%. 5-6% works really good. And then the next thing we're going to do is just wait for that to finish analyzing and play it back. All right, now that our footage is finished completely, now when we play it back, you'll notice that we have some really good looking smooth footage. And we can actually preview the last before we added the effect. We come up into the corner, click the effects button, and you can see your old previewed footage. And I'm going to show you how to composite all that to like basically apply it. So if I just re-enable that, and you'll notice I'm pretty happy with that right now. What we're going to do is come down here into the little bottom corner right here, click your footage, right click it. Then we're going to hit pre-compose, and the next step we're going to do is move all attributes to the new composition. Going to hit OK. Boom, now your footage is good to render out and it's good to edit over. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.